Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start with the essentials. In this video, I will show how to make perfect scrambled eggs with avocado. You'll need 3 large eggs, 1 ripe avocado, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having all your fresh ingredients ready before you begin makes the cooking process smooth and truly enjoyable, setting you up for success. First, let's get that avocado ready. Carefully slice it in half lengthwise, remove the pit, and then scoop out the delicious green flesh. Dice it into small, bite-sized pieces. This ensures every forkful of your scrambled eggs gets a wonderful burst of creamy avocado flavor and a delightful texture. Now for the eggs. Whisk 3 large eggs with a splash of milk or cream until they're light and frothy. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the eggs, and as they set, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, creating soft, fluffy curds. When your eggs are almost done, gently fold in the diced avocado. Cook for just about 30 seconds more, allowing the avocado to warm slightly without becoming mushy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve your perfect scrambled eggs with avocado immediately for a truly delightful breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.